18, 2024. Again, June 18, 2024. Recording some of the rain. Well, the rain has slowed down. Just the beauty of the palm trees in Florida. There's the palm trees. Palm trees that don't have that spiky bark on them. I'm not sure if the spiky stuff is branches that have fallen apart. A palm tree looks a lot like a pineapple. Okay, just making a short video here. Yulee, Florida, in Nassau County, Florida. Taking a video. Nassau Holiday Motel. Been having a good time here in room 103. Oh, trying to zoom in on that sign. Oh, now it's zoomed in too much. Tuesday, June 18, 2024. Tomorrow I leave for Upper Michigan. Nassau Holiday Motel. There's like 10 gas stations or 15 gas stations between here and the hospital, Baptist Nassau Hospital. When I rode home in a cab from Baptist Nassau Hospital. Well, time to go back in my room. Oh, it's still recording, but oh, it says System UI is not responding. System user interface. I'm gonna click wait and then click stop. It is 6:36 p.m. Tuesday, June 18, 2024, and stop.